Yes.
My Lord, the writ petition I am seeking 4 reliefs in para 1.
Yes.
But relief number 1, capital A, now it becomes infructuous because they have been granted bail by the
Yes.
court below. So
So
for the
proper
relief,
investigation only.
proper investigation and protection. My Lord, the petitioner is a old widow lady.
Both will be covered under the order of this court.
हाँ, ठीक है,
ठीक है?
जी। इसमें एक चीज खाली हम कंडक्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर का शो करना चाहेंगे कि डेट ऑफ अक्रेंस जो है वो 23/6/2022 है। उसके बाद इन्होंने 23/6/2022 को एप्लीकेशन दिया कंसर्न एसएचओ को, द एफआईआर वाज नॉट लॉन्च्ड। Thereafter she has given an application to the SP. SP has forwarded it to the SHO concerned. No FIR lodged. Thereafter she had given an application to the DGP. Annexure Annexure 2, page 10. At the instance of the DGP, the SHO has registered the FIR after lapse of 3 months.
अच्छा, कहाँ का SHO है ये?
जी, सीतामढ़ी, रुन्नी सैदपुर. Thereafter, my lord, when the accused persons of the instant FIR, that is Annexure 3, came to know that the FIR has been lodged against me on 20/9/2022, thereafter again they have come at my house on 25/9/2022 and abused and threatened her because she is living alone. Thereafter, she had filed an application again before the SHO on 25/9/2022, Annexure 4. FIR was not registered. Yeah, no action has been taken against them. Then again she filed application Annexure 5 before the SP. As yet, the respondents are in action in connivance with the accused. This is the fact of the case. And she is a cancer suffering lady since 2014. Though he has a son, but one son is living at Delhi, one son is living in the district, outside the
Yes.
district headquarters.
Examine the conduct of the SHO.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
he has not registered FIR on his own? Why it took 3 months? Heard land counsel for the petitioner and land counsel for the state, दोनों का नाम दे दीजिएगा. Next, petitioner in the present case is seeking the following reliefs. Quote कीजिए para 1 A, B, C, D. Next, at the outset, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that so far as the relief spread in paragraph 4 within bracket capital A is concerned, the same has become infructuous as the accused persons have surrendered and are on bail.
जी.
Next, land counsel has, however, pointed out that in this case, as regards the occurrence which took place on 23/6/2022, the petitioner, who is herself a senior citizen and a cancer survivor, lodged an FIR with the officer in charge of Runi Saidpur police station. But the officer in charge did not lodge the FIR. Full stop. The petitioner, thereafter filed an application with SP Sitamarhi on 25/6/2022. And the SP Sitamarhi had endorsed her application to the officer in charge. But again, nothing was done. Full stop. It is stated that thereafter, the petitioner submitted her application to the DGP Bihar, and on her application, after the direction of the DGP Bihar, the FIR was lost, but it took altogether 3 months in lodging of the FIR. Full stop. Land counsel has thus demonstrated the inaction on the part of the officer in charge of the Runi Saidpur police station in the district of Sitamarhi. Full stop. It is his submission that in such circumstances, the case is not being properly investigated, and the petitioner as well as her family is under threat from the accused persons. Next. Mr. N.S. Khan, Learned Standing Counsel number 1, submits that in such circumstances, appropriate directions may be issued to conduct proper investigation of the case, and the fact as alleged regarding the SHO of the concerned police station may be examined by a competent officer for onward action. Next, having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, this court directs the Superintendent of Police, Sitamarhi, to firstly examine the conduct of the officer in charge of Runi Saidpur Police Station in the district of Sitamarhi, the delay in lodging of the F.I.R. and as to why it took 3 months in lodging the F.I.R. by the said police station. Full stop. SP shall examine this aspect of the matter within 3 months from the date of communication of this order, and in case it is found that it is a case of inaction on the part of the officer in charge of the concerned police station, adequate proceedings shall be initiated in accordance with law. Next, the SP Sitamarhi shall also ensure that the case lost by the petitioner is properly investigated without prejudice to the petitioner or the accused, and the truth must be revealed in course of an investigation within a reasonable period. Full stop. If required, he would consider change of IO also. But in any case, the police report must be submitted in the court below within a reasonable period. Next, the petitioner has claimed that she and her family members are under threat. Let this aspect be also considered within 30 days from the date of receipt of a copy of this order, and on finding that the petitioner or her family requires protection to her or their life and property, etc., adequate measures shall be taken to protect them. Full stop. This writ application stands disposed of accordingly.